Before we go to your problem, we have to find out what is the total passenger or operating kilometer. These are the informations we have. This is total truck kilometer or total ton kilometers. We have repairs. Repairs comes under variable, will come later. Depreciation comes under variable, will come later. If you go for N, your cost per kilometer is almost 10 paise, like 0.102. Hello everyone, this is your other sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 5 of your topic called Cost Accounting. Under Cost Accounting, we are discussing operating costing. Now, under operating costing, we are done many problems on that, and in today's session, we will go for one more problem, little different in this, and we have some extra adjustment in this problem. The agenda is very simple. We will understand the concept while doing the problem. Your problem number 1. So in this we have M and N, total 2 vehicles. In this, taxes and insurance. See, whatever we do it for M, whatever we do it for N, completely different. We are nothing but we are doing 2 problems here. Now, tax and insurance, it will be what? Fixed. Garage rent, fixed. Expenses of supervision, it is fixed. Repair, always remember, it is variable. Depreciation, variable. Driver's salary, they have given value, so that's why it is fixed. Cleaner wages, fixed. Overhead, fixed. And the last one, petrol, oil and etc. will be called as variable. Again, I'll repeat. Tax and insurance fixed, garage rent fixed, expenses of supervision, it is fixed, and repairs, it will be variable. Depreciation, variable. Driver's salary, fixed. Cleaner wages, fixed. Overhead, it is fixed. And petrol, oil, etc. is variable. Remember, expenses of supervision, we are assuming that the salary given to supervisors. That's why we consider as fixed, or else normally it will go to variable. But here we consider this as fixed. We assume that it is a salary given to supervisor. Now, all the information we have, the 2 trucks carried 150 tons goods each during the month of November. The distance covered were 4,000 kilometers and 5,000 kilometers respectively. Prepare an operating cost sheet for the November 2016 for the above data. Now, before we go to your problem, we have to find out what is the total passenger or operating kilometer. In this, we are talking about truck. So, what will be the total truck kilometer? Now, we'll go for that. Truck, 2 truck in the sense, one will be for this, one will be for this one. Now, we will find out total truck kilometer for M and for N. We'll calculate for both. M is how much? We have 4,000 kilometers of 150 each. 4,000 kilometers of 150 each. 5,000 kilometers of 150 each. 5,000 kilometers of 150 each. What will be your answer? You will get around 6 lakh. And you will get around 7,50,000. I'll cross check once. 4,000 multiplied with 150, I get around 6 lakh. Similarly, 5,000 into 150, I'll get 7,50,000. Hope you are clear. Now, we got 6 lakh and we got 7,50,000. These are the informations we have. This is total truck kilometer or total ton kilometers. Now, we'll go for your answer. Your format will be what? In this, particular. This one will be, we call it as your M. This is N. This is for M. This is what your expenses are cost. Here, total kilometers per ton, cost of kilometer per ton, and cost of kilometer per ton. Now, these are the calculation we have to do. Remember, this is for M, and this is for N. Now, so our calculation, this is M. Our calculation, this is for N. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, fixed R, we call it as standing expenses. Fixed R, we can call it as standing expenses. Now, what are the fixed expenses here? I'll go back. As per this, we have taxes and insurance, 2000 and 2000. Taxes and insurance. So it will be how much? 2000 and 2000. After this, we have garage rent, 5000 and 5000. Garage rent 5000 and 5000. Then after this, we have expenses of supervisor, 4000 and 4000. Expenses of supervisor. So we have 4000 and 4000. Then we have repairs. Repairs comes under variable, will come later. Depreciation comes under variable, will come later. Driver's salary, it is how much? It is 12,000 and 14,000. Driver's salary. How much? We have 12,000 and 14,000. 12,000 and 14,000. Now, after driver's salary, we have cleaner wages. That is also what? Fixed, 8,000 and 8,500. Cleaner salary, 8,000 and 8,500. After that, we have overhead. That is also fixed, 2,000, 2,000. Overhead, 2,000 and 2,000. After this, we have overhead over petrol, oil, etc. all comes under variable. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total, how many items we have? 6. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Now, so what is the total expenses? These are the fixed. Total fixed cost. Total fixed cost, will add everything. Now, 2,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,000. It is around 33,000. Similarly, second one, 2,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 14,000 plus 8,500 and 2,000. I got 35,500. I'll cross check once. 7, 11 and 25,000, 25, 35,500. 7,000, 11,000, 23, 31, 33,000. Now, so we have 33,000 and 35,500. 500. But we need per ton kilometer cost. Per ton kilometer cost. How to find out now? We already did working note. This is 6 lakh and this is 7,50,000. Now, whatever answer you got, 33,000 divided by 6 lakh. Second one, 35,500. 35,500 divided by 7,50,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now calculate how much you will get. 33,000 divided by 6 lakh. I got 0.055. 0.055. Similarly, 35,500 divided by 7,50,000. I got 0.04. 0.04. Hope you are clear. Hope you understood. We got 0.04. Now, I got all this information. I'll go for variable cost, or we can also call it as running cost. So we'll go for second one. Variable or running cost. So remember, this is for M and this is for N. So we'll go for variable or running cost. We have very less actually in this. So we have like variable 1, 2, 3. Only we have 3. First one, repairs 5,000, 5,500. Now, repairs 5,000 and 5,500. After repairs, next one is what? We have depreciation 23,000 and 25,000. Depreciation 23,000 and 25,000. After this, after depreciation, we have petrol, oil and etc. It is 14,000 and 16,000. Petrol, oil, etc. Petrol, oil, etc. So it is 14,000 and 16,000. Add this, we got total variable cost. Total variable cost. Now, so in this 5,000 plus 23,000 plus 14,000. How much I got? 42,000 I got. Similarly, for the second one, 55 plus 25,000 plus 16,000. I got 46,500. Now calculate. Simple. Your calculation is 42,000 divided by 6 lakh. Then 46,500 divided by 7,50,000. So we'll see what will be your answer. Now, first one is how much? 42,000 divided by 6 lakh. I got 0.07. 0.07. Similarly, 46,500 divided by 7,50,000. I got 0.062. 0.062. Now we'll go for the total. What is the total? I'll go back. Your fixed is 0.055 plus 0.07. It is 0.125. 1, 2, 5. Now, the next one, I have 0.04 plus 0.062. I get 0.102. Say, if you go for M, your cost per ton kilometer is 12.5 paise. If you go for N, your cost per kilometer is almost 10 paise, like 0.102 and 0.125. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. Now, so this will be your question, your adjustment working note, your answer part 1, your answer part 2. This is all about your today's session. Hope we're done with your operating costing. Hope if possible we'll have one more session and we'll wind up any different adjustments are there. We'll complete that also so that we can complete operating. Once we're done with operating, the only left out is your contract and process. We'll go for contract and process after this topic. Thank you.